Greetings to all. Myself Maheswari, Assistant Professor, Dr. S.N.S. College of Education, Coimbatore. Today we are going to see about pass alarm test. This is the pass alarm test apparatus. It is used to check the non-verbal intelligence of an individual. Particularly, this is doing for a children. As we are in the nature education institutions, our student teachers are in need to go to for internship with the children. So this experiment is taught to the students to check the intelligence of the children, particularly in the internship schools. Okay, this pass alarm test was first formulated by a famous British psychologist Bird in the year 1931. Okay, what is the purpose of this pass alarm test is? It is nothing but a non-verbal intelligence test in order to check the problem solving ability of the individual, and then if in some cases the verbal issues will also happen to the individual. This is the box of the pass alarm test. What is the nature of the test is? This is a performance test involving in the physical manipulation of blocks here. Sometimes it may be cards given. Here it is a physical manipulation of blocks is given here. The test consists of a block or a sequence. The child must arrange or pass along to match the given pattern given in the particular cards. Okay, totally 16 cards are here and the blocks are arranged in the different formats. Okay, so you have to take this board and then with the blocks, and you have to see the card and you have to arrange it here. What are the features given is to measure about the spatial reasoning ability of the children and the motor coordination of the children and how much the concentration of the children is having. So this test is used to check the spatial ability, motor coordination and the concentration. So it reduces the cultural and language bias as it is non-verbal, and offers it particularly it is doing for the special children, speech defect or speech disabled children, hearing impaired children and those who are having limited language proficiency. Okay, this is a non-verbal test and those who are having limited language proficiency we can do the test. First I will take this card. This is a very simple card. Only 3 blocks are given here. One is red and another one is blue. Okay. Here I have given the board and the card here. You see this card with the help of one finger, thumb finger. You have to arrange like this. How it is arranged? You have to arrange and you have to move like this and you have to keep like this. Okay, don't use all the fingers, all the arms and all. Okay, it is arranged in a different way. We can give this to special children particularly and those who are having poor language communication problems and poor academic skills. Now Ashika will try and do this simple test. Okay, you can start doing. So it is correct. As far as Ashika's age, this is very simple. When you think about the children, they feel tough. Isn't it how we have to move? Likewise, they will think courage because they are having poor academic and the language skills. If we go for a second card, the cards are simple cards are also there. Some complicated cards we can go. So, now I ask Ashika to arrange this card by herself. Oh, blocks are given. Okay, you have to use only one. Don't want to move the board. The board must be like this. Okay, don't move the board. First you have to move like this. You have to move like this. Bring down and you have to move like this. You have to move like this. So in order to conclude this pass along intelligence test, it is particularly effective for assessing the cognitive ability of the individual. That is, cognitive ability means it is a higher order thinking. And this cognitive ability helps to make the individuals to be more effective intelligence and it helps to analyze how far the individual's education setting is and their clinical setting is. So mostly the psychologists and the educators and the counselors are using this test to assess the individuals and make decisions, and they are giving internal support for the problematic individuals, particularly in communication, particularly in academic skills, and they are giving fruitful solutions based on this test by analyzing non-verbally. Thank you.